Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel Learn with Ifra Sheikh. So in today's video we will study about Financial Accounting 1 Unit 3. In this we'll study about BRS. So BRS basically stands for Bank Reconciliation Statement. So today we will understand the proforma of BRS starting with favorable as per cash book. So the proforma is particular amount and amount. So in the very beginning, we will write balance as per cash book. So in this we have two things. We have to add some stuff and we have to less. It means deduct some stuff. So if you remember this proforma, it will be very easy for you to solve the problems. So the first thing is check issued but not yet presented for payment. So the company, what it has done is it has issued some check. So when the company has issued the check, it had directly deducted the amount in its books, but the amount is not being yet paid, right? So the amount is present in the account of the company, so the amount must be added. Next, check or cash directly deposited by company, directly deposited by customer in the bank. So one of the customer of the company has deposited the amount in the bank. So there is no record of it. So amount is less, we have to add it, right? Next, interest or dividend collected by bank but not recorded in cash book. So bank has recorded the amount received by interest or dividend, but it is not mentioned in cash book. So the amount of cash book is less, we have to add this. Next, checks paid into bank but omitted in cash book. So some of the checks are paid into bank. What is the meaning of omitted? Forgotten. The accountant has forgotten to record the transaction in the cash book. So we have it less, we will add that. Next is bank charges recorded twice in cash book. So the bank charges paid or the amount deducted is being recorded twice. So the cash book amount is less, we have to add that. Wrong credits in passbook. So some of the wrong credits are made in passbook. So we have to add that thing in the cash book. Checks issued but dishonored by bank. So hope you all know what is check bounce, right? That is only returned as check dishonored. So we have issued some check and we have deducted the amount as it is not present in our bank anymore. So we have to add that. Okay. So this was all the addition part. Hope you have understood till here. Now what we have to do less or deduct is check deposited but not credited. So we have deposited a check but it is not credited. So we have to less it. Deposited check dishonored but not recorded. So we have deposited check, it has been dishonored and it has not been recorded till now. So it must also be done less. Bank charges overdraft interest debited in passbook. So the bank charges have been deducted from our account of the company, right? But it has not been mentioned in our cash book. So the amount of the cash book is more. So we have to deduct this. Check entered in cash book but not banked. So what we have done is we have entered the check in our cash book. So the amount is more in our account but it has not been banked. So the amount is less in the passbook. So to reconcile it, we have to deduct it or do it less. Wrong debit entries by bank. So there are some of the wrong debit entries. Even bank could do mistakes sometimes, right? So we have to add that amount. Debit side of the cash book is overcast. See, even credit side of the cash book is undercast over here. So these are also two things that we should be lesson. Check under credited in bank. So there is one check which is under credited in bank. That should also be done less. Then at the end we will write this as balance as per cash book. This all the amount should be added. Total must be returned. This all the amount must be did less. Okay, the total must be returned. So this total is known as balance as per passbook. So even the passbook pro forma is very simple. In initial of passbook you will write bank balance as per passbook, but in ending you will write bank balance as per cash book. Whatever is done less in the cash book, this all stuff will be added in passbook, and whatever the stuff is added in the cash book will be done less in the passbook. So these are the same entries, just it would be vice versa in the passbook. Hope you have understood this. If you like the video, then do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.